Welcome to Science Explanation Hub.
Have you ever seen a rainbow after rain? It looks magical, but it is actually science. A rainbow forms when sunlight meets water droplets in the air. Sunlight looks white, but it actually contains many colors. When sunlight enters a water droplet, it bends. This is called refraction. It splits into colors. It reflects inside the droplet. Then it comes out as a rainbow. The colors you see are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color bends at different angle. That is why we see a curved rainbow. So, a rainbow is not just beautiful. It is light being separated into colors. If you love discovering nature's secrets, subscribe.
See you in the next video.